What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, Apple's brand new 11-inch iPad Pro. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So here we are, up close and personal with this box. On the front you can see there is a big beautiful picture of this iPad Pro with a nice sort of splatter paint background going on. Very pretty, looks like a work of art, doesn't it? Over here on this side, we've got nothing. Over here on this side, it says iPad Pro. Over here on this side, Apple logo, of course. And then over here on the top, another Apple logo. And then if we come over to the back, we can learn some more about this iPad Pro. It has 64 gigabytes of storage. It's Wi-Fi only. I didn't get the cellular supporting version of this dude. And it also, like I said earlier, is the 11-inch model. So yeah, this is actually the cheapest configuration of Apple's newly unveiled iPad Pro that you can get, yet it will still set you back about $800, so it's not exactly cheap. The 12.9-inch third generation iPad Pro, which is obviously the bigger one, that bad boy starts at about $1,000, so even more expensive. And depending on how much storage you get on your iPad Pro, as well as if you get cellular support on it, you can really bring up the price of what you're gonna pay for. But anyway, let's get this particular model right here. This is also the silver version out of the box. So we can just pull on this tab right here. Oh yeah, Apple makes it very nice and easy. Look at that. Just peel the shrink wrap off and then just take it off just like that. Here we go. Look at this bad boy right here. And wow, that is light. I believe this guy weighs about a pound actually. So yeah, and look at that. We can just rip this covering off and there is the iPad Pro. 11 inches, there's that silver back right there. Look at this guy, so beautiful. I like it. So now also in the box, let's see what else we have right here. I'm guessing we have some paperwork. Yep, iPad Pro, some stuff about that. Do we have stickers in here? And yes sirree, there are those Apple stickers. Ever so important, am I right? Then right here we have a USB-C cable. Now this is used for charging the iPad because, well, guess what? This new iPad Pro, it doesn't have a lightning port, it has a USB-C port. And then also right here we've got the wall plug, which of course has USB-C right there for charging this guy. And yeah, now that we're done looking at what is inside the box, let's take a closer look at the iPad Pro. So now I've got the 11-inch iPad Pro all set up, and let's first unlock it. So you do that with Face ID. This is sort of like the iPhone 10 of iPads, and as you just saw right there, just like that, it unlocked. The Face ID camera is right there, and watch this. The power button's right here, so we can put it to sleep. It can also unlock in portrait with Face ID. Look at my face right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Just like that. So that's pretty cool. No matter what way you're holding the iPad, like this, like that, you can unlock with Face ID. And watch this too. If the iPad's locked, you want to unlock it, but look, my thumb is covering Face ID. Look at points, camera covered. I can just uncover that, show up my face, and boom, unlocked. Very nice, very easy. So yeah, if we come over here to the side of the iPad, you can see 2 of its 4 speakers. Over here are the other 2. Yeah, right over here, that's that USB-C port once again. Over here on the top, there's that power button that we just talked about. We've got some microphones right here, microphone right there. Now right here, we've actually got the 12 megapixel rear camera, which is even capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second. So that's pretty nice. Right here, we've also got the Apple logo, iPad. Right here, we got the little smart connector interface for connecting this device with various accessories that utilize that. And yeah, over on this side we've got nothing. Over on this side we've got the volume buttons, and right here we've got this little interesting spot right here. Now what this does is actually you can put your Apple Pencil, the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, right up on the iPad. It clicks on magnetically and it actually charges through the iPad on this little spot right here, so that is super duper cool. Now here on the front of the iPad Pro is the star of the show and my favorite thing about it, the screen. So now Apple calls this the Liquid Retina display, and it has a resolution of 2388 by 1668, putting it at a pixel density of 264 pixels per inch. Now, it's also got a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth transitions just like that. And plus, it's also a true tone display, meaning that the iPad can sort of recognize the lighting of the room you're in to sort of make the colors on the iPad screen match that as if it were a piece of paper. So for example, if you have a piece of paper and you're in a room that has warm white lighting, the piece of paper would appear more yellow, right? Well, the iPad Pro can do the same thing, which is something that I really like and makes it much easier on the eyes. But you know what, guys, what I want to do right now? I want to take advantage of the screen, and I want to watch one of my own YouTube videos on this bad boy. We're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Google Pixel 3 XL, the latest and greatest smartphone from none other than Google. Warenotice on the baddest beat. And wow, folks, one thing that I will definitely say is the speakers on this guy are certainly loud. So I had them on full volume while watching that Warenotice video and also while watching other videos. And literally, as the iPad makes noise, I can feel it vibrating. That's how loud the speakers are. Like, I can feel the noise in my hands when I hold it. And now next I want to test the iPad Pro's camera. I know some people might think it's weird to take pictures on a tablet, but come on, if you're paying $800 or upwards of $1,000 for a tablet, you might want to eventually use the cameras on it. So yeah, first impression right now, I'm on the selfie camera, and it actually, with how small the bezels are, I almost feel like I'm looking at a mirror, which is pretty cool. So let's snap a selfie right here. Hey. And yeah, look at that selfie. Wow, that is actually really, really clear. I mean, look at my face, folks. You can see a lot of detail in that. Good job, Apple, on the selfie cam on this. Now let's check out the rear camera right here. Flip it around, and just like that, snap. Let's look at this picture. Again, nice and clear. Very good photography, especially on a tablet, folks. Good job, iPad Pro. And lastly, folks, now I'm going to show you guys how to navigate on the iPad Pro, since unlike iPads before it, it does not have a home button, which means it can have these nice smaller bezels, just like the iPhone X. So first things first, if you could swipe up from the bottom of the screen just like that, you can get to your multitasking view. Let's go to the YouTube app, and then just like on the iPhone X, XS, XS Max, you can swipe between apps just like that. See, you can do that by just moving your finger to the left or right on the bottom of the screen. And then if you want to leave an app, you can swipe up, and that gets you to the dock. You can pick a different app to open, or if you keep swiping up, you can get to the multitasking view, or you can just go to the home screen. So once again, here we are in an app, and then boom, you can just do one aggressive swipe like that if you just want to go straight to the home screen. I definitely like this gesture-based navigation more than that old home button navigation on older iPads. This is very cool for me, in my opinion. And yeah, so that'll be all for this Warenotice video. So if you guys want to see more iPad Pro content on YouTube, especially from me, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel, because guess what? Not only am I unboxing this guy right here, but I'm also going to be unboxing these two iPad Pro accessories right here. This is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, and this is the 11-inch iPad Pro Smart Folio case. So if you want to see those videos and more awesome technology videos, definitely, once again, be sure to subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the 11-inch iPad Pro, baby.